Hey folks, Ryan again, and now I'm here to answer Esther's third question, which is, what does this make you think about how we weave values-based leadership and competency-based development work together for our CNs? And so, to be short, I would say I think there's tremendous potential to find the right balance between the two, and I think that it needs to be a commitment in our work. And I want to share just a small vignette with you of one way that played out even last night in Los Angeles. So right now I'm in LA working with the special education team on developing their scope and sequence and their work for the year. And one thing that their core members have to go through right now as part of their certification is IEP training, which is mundane, it's technical, and honestly, in my perspective, it's probably not the right thing to get at this point in their development, but it's important that they get it because they need it before the first day of school. And and a lot of school districts really put a lot of pressure on their special educators. So anyway, last night they were going to be learning about present levels of performance, which is a part of an IEP. It's where the teacher sort of presents information about how a student is doing in a certain content area. And so it's very technical, it's mundane. And so what we thought about was how can we incorporate concepts of people's values and mindsets into this somewhat boring topic. And what we concluded is that we could do that through thinking through values-based leadership or thinking through that type of strategy. So what we did is we had core members write down what type of reader they are, and we left it very open. Some folks were writing about their reading skill, some people were writing about their reading interests, and so we just gave them the space and time to do that. Then we had core members share that or give that to another person and had or a partner, and then we had the partner write a present level of performance for that for that person given the information that was on paper. And that sort of transition and experience was really powerful for core members because it pushed them to say whoa, this is what it feels like to have someone else take the information that I write about myself and translate it into their own words and put it into their own system of values or look at the information and value it in certain specific ways. And so it really pushed core members to think about that. What are the mindsets, what are the values in this work, and how important is it to honor the children and the families that we work with when we write these present levels of performance for them. And so I think needless to say, I could go on about it, but I think ultimately the power of combining the two is tangible and immense. And I see a real future for it, and it's something that I've incorporated a lot into how I think about special education design since my experience on the journey and my own understanding of values-based leadership. So thanks guys, and hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.